Hello everyone and welcome. How are you all doing out there? I'm Kate Hill, bringing you the best, unbiased, honest content on property along with fantastic hints and tips. Stay tuned today for a Central Coast property location investment report. So welcome to the Central Coast, one of New South Wales's fastest growing property markets. With its stunning natural beauty, strong economy and major infrastructure investment, this region offers exciting opportunities for property investors. Whether you're looking for capital growth, high rental demand, or a lifestyle-driven market, the Central Coast ticks all the boxes. In this video, I'll break down some of the key reasons why investing in the Central Coast makes sense right now, covering infrastructure, local economy, demographics, and the property market. So let's dive right in. Infrastructure, it's all about building the future. It's one of the biggest drivers of property prices, as I keep saying, and the Central Coast is experiencing a wave of investment finally in transport, healthcare, education and commercial projects. So here are some of the biggest developments shaping the region's future. Major transport upgrades. The $2.8 billion upgrade of the Westfield at Tuggerah precinct will create a lifestyle and residential hub with 5,000 new homes, retail and office spaces. The Central Coast Highway upgrade at Womberall and Batteau Bay will improve safety and ease congestion for 26,500 daily motorists. The M1 motorway upgrade and North Connex link will and is making commuting to Sydney and Newcastle even faster. A potential high-speed rail project could connect the Central Coast to Sydney in under an hour. Healthcare expansions. You've got a $1 billion transformation underway with expansions at Gosford and Wyong hospitals, including a $350 million private hospital development in Gosford. The Waratah Super Battery project in Tuggerah will enhance energy security, supporting the region's growing demand for power. Education and innovation hubs. The University of Newcastle is developing a $58 million campus in Gosford, bringing new students, professionals and housing demand to the area. TAFE New South Wales campuses serve over 14,000 students, ensuring a skilled workforce for the future. All these projects will create jobs, improve livability, boost property values, making it an exciting time for investors. Diversity of local industry. It's a very balanced economy. The Central Coast isn't just a commuter region, it's an economic powerhouse with 26,000 registered businesses and 140,000 local jobs. Key industries which are driving the economy include healthcare and social assistance at 22%. It's the region's biggest employer with ongoing hospital expansions. Retail at 11%. Shopping centres at Erina Fair, Westfield Tuggerah attract strong consumer spending. Construction at 13%. It's fueled by major residential and commercial projects. Education at 8%. With new university and TAFE expansions, education is a growth sector. Tourism and hospitality at 8%. Over 5.5 million visitors in 2023 contributed $1 billion to the economy. With large-scale employers like Sanitarium, Mars, Food and Woolworths distribution centres, the Central Coast provides job stability. It's a key factor for long-term property demand. Let's look at economic vibrancy. It's a region on the rise. The Central Coast economy is valued at over $19 billion and it's growing rapidly thanks to strategic investment and business expansion. Some key economic drivers include low unemployment at 3.5%, indicating a very strong job market. Major commercial investments, including the $35 million industrial park at Lissarow and a $67 million expansion at Woolworths Warnervale Distribution Centre. A $30 million retail hub in Tuggerah, as I've been saying, it adds new jobs and business opportunities. So this economic growth means higher wages, more spending power, and increased demand for housing. It's all great news for investors. The demographics of the area, let's look at the people who live here. The Central Coast is home to over 350,000 people, with strong growth expected, reaching over 400,000 by 2041. Couples with children are at 41%, attracted by great schools and family-friendly amenities. Couples couples without kids at 27%, a mix of professionals and downsizers enjoying that relaxed lifestyle. A key demographic is that 30% of people rent. It ensures a high rental demand. With very strong population growth and diverse housing needs, the region offers long-term investment potential. In terms of supply and demand, it's a very tight market. The Central Coast's low housing supply and high demand are driving property prices and rental growth. Key housing stats. 72% of homes are standalone houses. Units make up just 9%, and they're mostly in Gosford and the waterfront suburbs. The New South Wales government is fast-tracking 18,000 new homes by 2026 to meet that demand. Some areas have vacancy rates below 1%, meaning rental properties lease very quickly. With limited land availability and ongoing migration from Sydney, the market remains highly competitive for buyers and renters alike. So in terms of recent sales and the property market, the Central Coast offers strong rental yields, low vacancy rates and solid capital growth. It's a perfect combination for investors. Some recent market highlights include median house prices that have rebounded strongly, with 43 out of 49 suburbs recording price growth. Rents are rising. The median house rent is $700 a week, which is up 8% in 12 months. Investors are earning great returns. House rental yields sit at 3.5% to 4%. Some units return up to 5.5%. Units, of course, also have greater outgoings. 13 suburbs have recorded double-digit annual growth over the last 10 years. With ongoing population growth and affordability compared to Sydney, the Central Coast remains one of the best places to invest in New South Wales. So giving you some final thoughts as to why the Central Coast is a smart investment. You've been hearing the Central Coast is one of New South Wales' most exciting investment destinations. It offers major infrastructure growth, transport, hospitals, schools, commercial projects, a strong diverse economy, jobs in healthcare, retail, manufacturing, a growing population. More residents equals more demand for housing. It's a competitive property market, low supply, rising prices and strong rental returns. If you're looking for that high growth, lifestyle-driven investment location, the Central Coast should be on your radar. For expert guidance on finding those best opportunities, do get in touch with us today. I will keep you posted on all things property from around Australia as our year progresses. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. If you are enjoying completely free content, I will see you soon. Bye.